Multiply $100 to 28 is $2,800 US. Isn't amazing? You can make it too. I'll copy some words from title and paste it here. Hit enter. Look at this. It's actually writing. That's good. But I want more paragraphs. Or I can say give me some more words. It's amazing. Typing again quickly, no time. How understanding this AI is unbelievable.
I'm sure you heard about ChatGPT. Yeah, I know ChatGPT. I don't know what it is. ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence that can understand and generate natural language text. Interesting. Do you know how it works and how you guys can make $2,800 US with it? Really? We can make money with it? How? You wanna know how to make money with it? Then follow this video. Okay, we can get unique text, ask critical questions, ideas, SEO titles and descriptions in literally no time. Yeah, website owners always need text form content on daily basis for their blogs or products. So they hire content writers on Fiverr, Upwork or other freelance marketplaces. So what should we do? You should start selling it as a service because now you can ask ChatGPT to work for you, right? With ChatGPT, you can make unique text form content, even ask for multiple text ideas or whatever you want. Like if you just have a product name and features, then you can get amazing product description with ChatGPT. It's totally free. What you are saying, I'm not understanding. Can you please show me exactly on computer screen? Yeah, why not? I'm gonna show you. Guys, now launch into my computer screen to see how we can use it to make money. Oh, that's great. Thank you.
First of all, you have to sign up ChatGPT if you didn't before. I already created ChatGPT account, so I'll log in it. Since I'm using it, I would just say it's super amazing when it comes to answer my questions like a human expert. Check out these Fiverr gigs. Here are many sellers selling content writing and description writing services. Now check this person gig. He's Fiverr Pro seller. Right now he has 28 orders in queue, and you can see his basic pack is starting from $100 US with 5 days delivery time. Let's see, all of his clients purchase basic pack. Let's just calculate it. Multiply $100 to 28 is $2,800 US. Isn't amazing? You can make it too. Just be creative. Now let me show you that stuff through ChatGPT. Let's suppose I have this product. I'll copy some words from title and paste it here. Now I'll press shift plus enter to have upper space. Now in start, I'll ask ChatGPT for description like that. Please give me some description for this text. Hit enter. Look at this. It's actually writing. Now if I need some more words in description, I'll ask again like that. That's good. But I want more paragraphs. Or I can say give me some more words. It's amazing. Typing again quickly, no time. How understanding this AI is unbelievable. Right now I was expecting 2 paragraphs at least, but it's okay. It's also good. But still you can ask ChatGPT for exactly 2 paragraphs if you want. Now what if you want to optimize this product description for SEO? For that I'll just copy it and paste it here in ChatGPT and click in start, then press shift plus enter to have upper space. Now click at start and write. Please make it unique for SEO. It's typing again. Sure, here is revised description with the focus on SEO. That's great. It's working. It's just making our description perfect. But you have to read manually and check if it's really changing or adding searchable words. I noticed sometimes its description or whatever you ask make no sense. So I recommend you to correct your question or type in different ways to get exactly you want. Now what if I want to divide it in bullet points? I'll just write, please divide it into bullet points. And here we go. It's just started working out. It's just started making bullet points of this description. Just copy and paste it in your product description or forward it to your client. It's just respond like a human expert. You can chat to get amazing responses. It can do many more if you will explore. So start exploring with it. I'm sure you guys gonna love it. I noticed AliExpress product description are too small. Let's suppose this product. Copy words from description and then paste it here at ChatGPT. Now copy AliExpress product title and paste it here. Click in start, right? Please write searchable keywords description for these. Hit enter. Oh, it started writing keywords actually. I was looking for description but I wrote searchable keywords for these. So it just gave me those what I asked for. Make sure to ask right question to get right answer. It's okay. Now for description I will write again. Please make description. Great, it started working out. You can see how good and detailed this description is in just few seconds.
This AI is just blowing everywhere. So start using it now. First time when I just came across to this, unintentionally I just said, it's mind blowing. Yeah, I got it. Now I'm just gonna sign up. Guys, you also go ahead and check it out. It's really amazing. I hope you guys like this informative video. If yes, then please hit the like button, smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. If you do have any questions, then please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. 𝗖𝗵𝐵𝘳.